Y'all, TikTok said this palette is the best of 2025, but 117 shades? Now I need to know if this thing actually slays or if social media is lying again. You know your girl had to get one, and mine just came in the mail. So we're going to go ahead and open it. I'm nervous. Here she is. Oh my gosh. Colorful Rainbow, the Natural Nude Fashion Makeup Palette. Eyeshadow palette. Oh gosh. Okay, so we're going to move this up a little bit so it's like a book if I can get it out. Other side. Yay. Okay. So this is how it opens up. So you have the models out here, and then you got some here. Look at the colors. I finally have white. Thank you, God. And black in the same eyeshadow palette, because I always had to buy different eyeshadow palettes with different colors. And then it have like the blush. And look at these colors over here. Oh my gosh. I have to move back. You guys, look at the colors. I'm gonna let you guys look up close. Love it. I love it. I love it. You guys just don't know. This is gonna be my favorite eyeshadow palette every day. Let's start with this section. I think it's gonna be my favorite section. And let's start with the pigmentation. Let's start with this one. Oh, I love how soft it is. And the color actually does shows. It shows, okay. Let's try another one. It's like a shimmer gold. I like it. And then there's like one of the little blushes here. Let's do the pink. Now this really shows really good. You guys can see. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's try this color, because sometimes this nude colors are great. Okay, it actually shows up really good. And let's try, I call this like an ocean blue color. Blue is my favorite color, by the way. And let's try this. Oh, this is pretty. I like it. I like it. Okay, it does show up. Okay. So we're going to really put it to the test. Let's see, can we create a glamorous look? Let's try the blue one again. I do love the softness of the eyeshadow palette. I really do. So it's kind of like a bluish color. I'm going to use my finger because it's so soft. So I am using the blue color, and then I'm going to use a little bit of this orange color. I love this is showing, because it's hard to find me a pretty nice orange that will actually show up on my eyes. I'll make sure you guys can see it, but I do love the consistency of it. I really do. I'm going to do the blush. I'm going to do a pink blush. I'm going to apply this. Okay, so we're going to do another different color of eyeshadow. I'm going to try this one. It's like a rainbowish, nice, like a chrome color. I'm going to apply it here. Blush. Kind of giving that bronze look a little bit. Little highlighter. Okay, let me put some eyeliner on. Be right back. Okay, guys, I just put on the eyeliner, but I just want you to guys mostly see the eyeshadow pigmentation of it. I do like it. I really do. I just wish that it was a little bit better, like it's missing something. I don't know. I do like the palette. I would definitely give it a 8.5 in my honest opinion about this eyeshadow palette. I do love the concept of it, but it is trending on TikTok, and if you are interested, it costs $13.99 for this book itself. It's a Black Friday sale, so you guys need to go get it. But I do like it. I think if I just keep messing with it a little bit more, but I do like that it actually shows, because most eyeshadow palettes, they do not show at all. But I do love it, and I love when you do touch it. It's really soft. It's a nice pigmentation, and it's not flaking like on my skin. And it just looked really natural. So that's why it's called the Natural Nude. And I love it. I think this is a great concept of the colorful rainbow, 117 colors of a booklet. I love it. I think this is a great concept once again. And you have your blush, you have your eyeshadow.
Okay, so tell me again.
This is amazing. And I am in love. So I think I'm going to play with the colors. I do love the variety of colors. And it looks really good. This is one of my best eyeshadow palettes.
Wow.
That rose gold sunset look. And then this one's kind of giving you that, like, you know how the moon look at night kind of look. And I just mixed a little bit of yellow with it. I think this is nice. And a little bit of pink. So, and get a little bit of blush on this side. Get a little bit of the silver. I mean, it looks really good. I give it an 8.5. Just, you know, a little bit more to me. But I hope you guys did enjoy it, of the swatching of the colors. If you haven't, go get this eyeshadow palette. The colors are beautiful. It's very soft. The pigmentation is wonderful. And it does have a little bit of shimmer. And I just love the varieties. And it is a book. Creativity. Alright, Transformation family, should I do a challenge where I use random shades from this palette, which I did in this video, but more? Or should I try a full glam using only the worst rated colors? Comment down below and let me know, and hit that like button so if you guys want a part 2, this video up to 200 views. And if you want to see more content like this or this, makeup tutorials, go check out your girl. My favorite celebrity makeup looks, and I nailed them all. And you guys tell me down below who you guys want me to do next as well.